Is your crypto truly safe in a hardware wallet? Specifically, is the Ellipal Titan 2.0 as secure as it claims to be? In the world of digital assets, security is paramount. We're constantly bombarded with news of hacks, scams, and vulnerabilities. So, when a company claims its product offers ultimate protection and is 100% offline, it's natural to be both intrigued and skeptical. Today, we're diving deep into the Ellipal Titan 2.0 to examine its security features, scrutinize its design, and ultimately, help you decide if it's the right choice for safeguarding your precious crypto. The Ellipal Titan 2.0 is a hardware wallet designed with a core principle, air gapping. What does that mean? Simply put, it means the device is completely isolated from any network connections, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no USB data transfer. This physical separation is a major selling point, as it drastically reduces the attack surface for remote hacking attempts. Instead of direct connections, the Ellipal Titan 2.0 communicates with its mobile app solely through QR codes. You initiate a transaction on the app generates a QR code, you scan it with the Ellipal Titan 2.0, the device signs the transaction offline, and then it generates another QR code for you to scan back into the app to broadcast the transaction. This scan-to-sign method is a fundamental layer of its security. Beyond its air-gap design, the Ellipal Titan 2.0 boasts a robust physical construction. It features a fully metal-sealed body, making it resistant to physical tampering. In fact, Ellipal claims it has an anti-disassembly and self-destruct mechanism. If someone tries to forcefully open the device, it's designed to automatically wipe all stored data, rendering it useless and protecting your private keys. This is a significant deterrent against evil-made attacks or supply chain compromises where an attacker might try to extract data by physically disassembling the device. Another critical security component is the CCEAL5 Plus certified secure element chip. This specialized chip is designed to securely store your private keys in an isolated environment, making it extremely difficult for attackers to access them, even with physical possession of the device. This certification signifies that the chip meets stringent security standards. The Ellipal Titan 2.0 also offers features like two-factor authentication, PIN and passphrase protection, and the option for a secret secondary wallet, adding further layers of security. It supports 12 and 24-word seed phrases, along with an optional 25th passphrase, which acts as an additional layer of protection for your recovery phrase. While the air-gap design and robust physical security are impressive, it's important to consider past vulnerabilities and how Ellipal has addressed them. Historically, some hardware wallets have faced scrutiny regarding firmware vulnerabilities or physical attack vectors. Ellipal has actively engaged with security researchers and has a bug bounty program, demonstrating a commitment to identifying and fixing potential weaknesses. Firmware updates for the Ellipal Titan 2.0 are also done offline via a microSD card, maintaining the air-gapped integrity even during updates. It's worth noting that no security solution is 100% impenetrable, and user responsibility plays a massive role. Safeguarding your seed phrase, setting strong passwords, and being wary of phishing attempts are crucial regardless of the hardware wallet you choose. However, the Ellipal Titan 2.0's emphasis on complete offline operation, tamper-resistant design, and a certified secure element makes a compelling case for its security claims. It's designed to protect against both remote cyber attacks and physical attempts to compromise your crypto. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.